I think that's enough paper. Oh, hey guys. Me and Ahmed are making a volcano. First, let me tell you the stuff we need. First, we need some crumpled paper. Then we need a bottle. Glue it in on this small box. Gotta cut it. And then just put the crumpled paper inside. Then you're gonna need some tape. Look guys, we're all done with the base. But something's missing. Glue. Actually. Okay. Now we have to cut the paper into strips. Ta-da! Okay, ta-da! These all, now we have to stick them on this, the volcano. First, we've got to dip it in some glue. Doesn't it look like the shape of a volcano? Now we have to wait for it to dry. I'll see you later when it's dry. Yummy cupcake. Oh, hey guys. Look, we're already back for the volcano.
Look,
oh, well.
I have slime.
I guess I can start early.
Look guys. Look guys, I have slime.
Let's see if it's dry. It's hard. And now we can paint it.
Why?
The paints are here. Let's paint. Since we don't have gray, me and Ahmed are gonna make gray. And which colors do we need, Ahmed?
Black and white.
Black and white? That's right.
I put black.
Hold on, that rhymes. Okay, I'm gonna put white then.
I put black.
Ooh, I'm gonna use a small brush.
It's like a baby brush. Let's go black.
I think this is fine. We're gonna make it a bit like, whoa! Whoa, Ahmed. I'm gonna let some white be like that. It's gonna be really cool.
Can I try?
Start painting. Get a brush. I'm gonna start from up here. Whoa.
I need to make it more grayer.
Guys, we're done. But now we need to wait for it to dry. So I'll see you after some time. Hey guys, we're back and I can see that the volcano has dried up. And now we're gonna make some lava. First we're gonna need some vinegar, some baking soda, a stick to mix the food coloring in the vinegar. We've got red food coloring to make it colorful. Let's put some food coloring in the vinegar. Now let's put the baking soda in first. Guys, move back before the lava gets on you.
We should put the lava on Ahmed.
No. Okay, ready guys?
Yes.
I I can't hear you.
Yes!
Okay, let's do it.
3.
There's lava on me. Me too. Oh no, I'm not wet. Me too. That was cool.
Guys, the floor is all lava. Oh no, let's go inside. Quickly. Run. Guys, when we were doing the experiment, did you see how it blasted out and went all over the place? Yeah. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they make a chemical reaction that makes it explode.